Hey everyone, just want to take a few minutes to discuss with you about the proper way to go about being prepared in purchasing your new home. The first thing you want to do is find a realtor that you trust, have a good sense that they know what they're doing, and very knowledgeable about the real estate process. It can be beneficial to work with a realtor who is close to your area, as it'll be convenient for you to see houses quicker and things like that. But in reality, the main thing is to make sure you have someone that's going to satisfy what your expectations will be in purchasing your new home, because they could be their office could be in West Bloomfield, and you want to see a house, and you're looking to purchase a house in West Bloomfield. But in reality, if they're coming from let's say Dearborn, and you need to see a house, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to help you see a house faster, depending on the day that you are working there. And who knows where they live? They may obviously be in West Bloomfield, but they may live in Birmingham. So in reality, the main thing is to make sure you have a realtor that you have a good sense of, that you can trust them. They have integrity and they're knowledgeable, and they're going to deliver to your needs and wants. So most people, they find this when they inquire about a property, but for you, it's kind of good, just like how you would do anything else, right? If you're looking for a good repair company for your car, you're either going to go with a referral or you're going to do research on Google, right? So that would be the best way to do it. Don't do it based off of, oh, I inquired about this house, we're going to see this house today, and then therefore I'm going to decide if this realtor is going to be a good fit for me or not, because that's really not going to help you overall. Because if you seek out a realtor first and you set up a time to meet with them, see if they're going to meet with you at their office. They're going to meet you at Panera. If you meet them at their office, then you get a feel for the environment where they work, right? If they even have an office. And then if they're going to take the time to give you a consultation, then they are going to let you know that, this is how they work. So therefore, they are willing to take time out of their day to educate you on the process, not just show you a house and get you right an offer, then explaining things to you later when you're going to be stressed out. But also, then the next thing is that you will get to know if they're knowledgeable or not, because they'll answer your questions, they'll go over the process so that they know the process. So that would be the best thing. And beyond that, if you don't take the time to meet with the realtor that way, when you go to an open house, you can get a feel for how they do open houses, right? So you get to see how that experience will be when they show you a home, especially at their own open house. That'd be the best time to determine if they're going to show you a home the right way. Also, this would be a good thing to do if you are someone who wants to go out and see houses, because you really shouldn't be seeing houses first. After you pick your realtor, you really should be speaking with the lender, because, when you're getting ready, you want to make sure that you're actually ready, prepared to be ready, because you may think that you can buy a house in 6 months, but in reality, it could be 8 months, or when you could have bought a house 3 months instead of 6 months. And then in reality, it's going to let you know what your financing terms are, what you can do, what you can't do, your purchasing power, all of that. And then if you're not in a position to buy now, they'll get you to where you will be ready, instead of you waiting 6 months and realize you can't even buy it at that moment. So you pick your realtor, then you find a lender, and then whether you're ready to buy, if you're in a position to buy now, if you're not sure if you want to buy now, a good way is to have that realtor to set you on a customized search so you can get a feel for what's out there, what the different environments are like. Maybe drive around the areas to see if you feel like that's going to be a community which you want to live in. And also, visit the open houses so you can take the time to look and get a feel for what the homes in that area are like. So when you're ready, you know where you want to be, you know exactly the kind of house you want. You already have a realtor in mind. You're already prepared to write an offer so that you fall in love with a home today, because you don't want to get pre-approved after you find the house. The house will be gone by the time you get pre-approved. This way, you're not wasting you're not inconveniencing the realtor that you've chosen to show you homes when you're not in position to buy. Therefore, that relationship can be hindrance, because you're taking time out of their day when you can't even buy the house. And And if you think about it, if you were a realtor in that situation, would you want to take time out of your day to show people houses knowing that they can't buy and that's how you get paid, is if you sell them a house? No. They're going to appreciate you for wanting to do your homework and things like that, and so therefore they'll be more attentive to you, and you have a better relationship with them because of the fact that you are cognizant that you want to help them with their best time. So when they work with you, they're going to give you the results you want. So the first thing is to find a realtor, get pre-approved, and then if you're ready to buy, then you start everything else, seeing houses, things like that. And if you're not ready, then you want to make sure you're on a customized search and that you go to open houses to get a feel for what you're looking for. So that's it for today. I know it was a little bit longer than normal. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or email me at closewithpatrice@gmail.com. All right, have a good one. Bye.